Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully go about resolving the Windows 10 update error where you're coming up with an error that says cannot find object or property. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you're going to do is open up the start menu. Just go ahead and left click on the start button one time. Type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. You want to go right click on that and then left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to left click on yes. And now I'm going to have two commands in the description of my video. The first one, we're going to run the first DISM, so just copy from my description. Go up to the top part of the command prompt window, right click on it one time, left click on edit, and then paste it in. Hit enter on your keyboard to run the command. This will take a couple moments to run, so just be patient. So this command will take some time to run, and then once the System32 comes up with a blinking cursor next to it, that means you can go ahead and run the second command. And that's pretty much all you need to do at that point. So once it's done, restart your computer, and that should be it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.